Here is what it's like to be, we're going to do a quick review of what it's like to be a bin truck owner. So yesterday, this truck went out and the belt right there snapped, and then that took out a good portion of the fan. You can see it on the other side. So when the belt went, you can see in here where some of the fan blades are fucked and got taken out. So we had to get we'll have to put a new fan in it. So that happened yesterday to this one. This one, during an inspection, we noticed that this hanger was broken right there. So it's been re-welded, reattached. We need to get a new piece of threaded rod. That'll finish putting this tank back on, but this one's down because the tank is off the truck, but it's on the verge of being ready to go. This one will be back on the road today. So this one is going to be good to go. And then this one, which is the third bin truck, it's hard to see it here, but maybe if we go down and we look right in there, you can see in there that there's no fucking drive shaft in the truck because the hanger bearing went on it, which was right down in there supporting the drive shaft. The hanger bearing went on it, so it came home on the hook. So all three of them are dead at once. We literally have all three of these trucks so that we don't have to don't get up in this situation where we don't have a truck available. But this is the bin truck business and entrepreneurship, as hard as you try. With three, this one needs a new fan. This one, the tank's almost done, and this one doesn't have a fucking drive shaft in it. So hopefully this tank will be done. Brad's coming to fix the tank. He's coming to fix the tank this morning. Should be back on the road, and we'll go hook some bins. That one, we're trying to get a fan for it to replace it. And this one, Brad's got the drive shaft at his shop, and hopefully maybe by end of day we'll have this one rolling too. But we're hoping for at least one by 9 o'clock. So we can get this show on the fucking road.